How to change your privacy and safety on Twitter. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from How to Geek. In today's video, I'll show you how you can change your privacy and safety settings on Twitter. So you simply want to make sure to watch this video till the end. So first, just make sure to update the Twitter app. Once you have updated the Twitter app, just go over and then open it up. The next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account. And after you log in, obviously you'll be able to see that this is how it is actually going to look like. Now what you have to do is just tap on the profile icon, which is at the top left hand side of the screen. Once you tap on the profile icon over here, you'll see this kind of interface. Just go to the one that says settings and support at the bottom. Once you tap on settings and support, here you'll find a section that says settings and privacy. So just go ahead and select it. As you select it, here you'll find the option that says privacy and safety. So if you want to change the privacy and safety settings, just tap on it. You can actually change your audience and tagging if you want to. You can just go ahead and select it up. You can select your tweets, you can select content you see, which means if you want to enable sensitive content, you can also turn on this toggle as well. You can explore some of the search topics and trending feeds. You can mute and block people. You can choose your direct messages privacy options. You can select your spaces. You can see contacts. You can also see ad preferences, in-feed identity, data sharing, and business partners and location information. This all depends upon you as to how you can change it, but as I told you, if you want to change the privacy and safety settings, you just have to come to this specific page. That's all it takes to change your privacy and safety on Twitter. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any more questions, then make sure to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.